Top 5 Best Rolling Briefcases. Number 5. Wenger Luggage Patriot Rolling 2-Piece. The Wenger Luggage Patriot Rolling 2-Piece set is a fantastic option for professionals who require both a rolling briefcase and an additional overnight bag. This set offers great value for those who need versatility and convenience in their business travels. The rolling briefcase in this set features a padded laptop compartment that can accommodate laptops up to 17 inches. The spacious main compartment provides ample room for documents and personal items, and it includes a removable laptop sleeve. The organizer compartment has pockets for your smaller essentials. What sets this set apart is the inclusion of a removable overnight bag with a padded 17-inch laptop compartment. It's perfect for short trips, allowing you to pack clothing and essentials alongside your laptop. The rolling briefcase and overnight bag both have sturdy telescoping handles and smooth rolling wheels for easy maneuverability. Coming in number 4. Swissgear Grananda Rolling Case Nylon. The Swissgear Granada Rolling Case Nylon is a versatile and dependable rolling briefcase that offers a blend of durability and convenience. Swissgear is known for its high-quality luggage, and this rolling case lives up to the brand's reputation. This briefcase features a padded laptop compartment that can hold laptops up to 17 inches in size, making it suitable for larger laptops. The main compartment provides ample space for documents and essentials, and it also includes a dedicated file pocket. The front organizer pocket has multiple pockets for your smaller items and accessories. The construction of the Granada rolling case is robust, with a durable nylon exterior that can withstand the wear and tear of frequent travel. The push-button telescoping handle and smooth rolling wheels ensure easy mobility. Additionally, it has a secure strap on the back that allows you to attach it to the handle of your larger suitcase, making it a versatile choice for travel. Coming in number 3. Samsonite Luggage Women's Spinner Mobile Office. For female professionals who want a rolling briefcase that combines style and functionality, the Samsonite Luggage Women's Spinner Mobile Office is an excellent choice. This bag is specifically designed to cater to the needs of women in the business world while maintaining a fashionable appearance. The Women's Spinner Mobile Office features a padded laptop compartment that can accommodate laptops up to 15.6 inches. The interior organization includes a large main compartment for documents, a separate file compartment, and various smaller pockets for your accessories. The stylish quilted exterior and rose gold accents give it a distinctive and elegant look. One of the standout features of this rolling briefcase is its 4 spinner wheels, which provide excellent maneuverability and stability. The telescoping handle is comfortable to grip and can be adjusted to different heights. Whether you're traveling for business or commuting to the office, this Samsonite rolling briefcase is both functional and fashionable. Coming in number 2. Samsonite 10392. Samsonite is a well-known name in the world of luggage, and the Samsonite 10392 is a testament to their commitment to quality and functionality. This rolling briefcase is a top choice for business travelers who demand both style and reliability. It boasts a sleek and professional design that will complement any business attire. The Samsonite 10392 features a padded laptop compartment that can accommodate laptops up to 17 inches in size. The main compartment offers ample space for documents, notebooks, and other essentials. The bag also includes a front organizer pocket with a padded tablet pocket and multiple accessory pockets. Durability is a key feature of this rolling briefcase, thanks to its rugged ballistic nylon construction. The wheels are smooth and provide easy mobility, and the telescoping handle can be adjusted to your preferred height. Whether you're navigating through airports or heading to important meetings, the Samsonite 10392 will get you there in style. Coming in number 1. Solo New York Franklin Rolling Laptop Bag. The Solo New York Franklin Rolling Laptop Bag takes the top spot on our list of the best rolling briefcases. This stylish and functional bag is designed to meet the needs of modern professionals who are always on the go. It features a fully padded 15.6-inch laptop compartment to keep your laptop safe and secure during travel. The interior of the bag also includes a full-length zippered pocket and multiple organizer pockets for your documents, pens, and other essentials. The exterior of the Franklin Rolling Laptop Bag is made from high-quality, durable polyester fabric, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The telescoping handle and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to maneuver through crowded airports or busy city streets. Additionally, the bag has a front zippered pocket for quick access to items like your smartphone or boarding pass.